Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Angie. I'm glad you're here. I hope you will hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. If you like cleaning videos, give me a big thumbs up. That helps me be more visible to more people on YouTube. Today I'm starting in the half bathroom on the downstairs level. It's at the back of the kitchen, just off the garage entry, and I don't think you guys have seen this room before. But it doesn't get a lot of use, so it mostly just needs tidied. But today we're going to give it a good deep clean, so let's get started.
I walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
Now I'm moving on to the kitchen. The dishwasher didn't get run last night, so I've got dirty dishes in the dishwasher, I've got dirty dishes in the sink, dirty dishes on the stove, clutter all over the countertops. It's time to get busy.
You got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. I just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Laughter and hours of gloom. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burned out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
You guys, is it weird that I like to clean my sink? I don't know why. I like the way it feels. I like knowing that it's had a good scrub with super hot water and lots of soap. It makes me feel like I've gotten rid of the germs and the odors that make a house smell stale or feel dirty. I don't know how realistic that is or how accurate it is, but I always feel better after the sink is scrubbed. I mean, we put dirty dishes in there. We put garbage down the garbage disposal, or food down the garbage disposal. We put, raw meat in there, frozen food in there to thaw. So it just feels better to me once the kitchen sink has had a good thorough scrubbing with a lot of soap and super hot water.
Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away.
I love this prayer cube. It was given out at church at Children's Moment several years ago, and there's a different prayer on each side of it. And I love that the Grandorables always want to know who gets to read the prayer cube when it's time for a family dinner. This is the Cedar version of the Swiffer mop, and what I love about this is you can take the container off and use any type of cleanser that you prefer. I'm using hot water and just a little drop of Pine Sol. I love the smell of Pine Sol. It's my favorite cleaning product. But I like it because it's got a reusable mop head, so I just take it off and throw it in the washing machine, and I can use whatever cleanser I like. It works really well. I'll see if I can find a link to put in the description box below. I am going to do a review on it and also on my new stick vacuum, so look forward to those videos. They'll be coming out soon. I'm sorry about the lighting in here, guys. I should have turned on the overhead lights, but I just wasn't thinking about it, to be truthful. I'm using a microfiber cloth that's just barely damp with a little glass plus to clean my electronics. It works really well. It doesn't leave any streaks or any marks, and I've used it on all of our TVs and our computers. I use it on my phone screen, the laptop touch screens. I use it on everything, and I've never had any issues with it. It doesn't leave any dust or streaks or anything like that. It doesn't leave a sticky residue, and it doesn't damage the electronics. Like I said, it's just barely damp with just a little tiny bit of glass plus. We don't allow Sophie on the furniture, but we're often not home, and we know she gets on the furniture when we're not home or when we go upstairs for the evening, because we'll come down in the morning and find the furniture covered in dog hair. So today I'm just going to give everything a good vacuuming to make sure that we're getting up as much dog hair off of the furniture as we can.
what it's worth. You won't be alone.
I do want to replace those entry rugs with something pretty. I chose something just utilitarian while Sean was still living here so that the diesel grease was trapped on those rugs and not tracked all over the house. But now that he's moved into his own place, I do want to replace them with something pretty. I just haven't found what I'm looking for yet. And now the house is nice and clean. You guys, I love the way it looks when everything's tidy. It's a small place, but it's cute and it suits us for the time being. It's cozy, it's warm, it's comfortable, and I just love the way it looks. I love the way it feels, really, when it's nice and clean. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for stopping by. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join our family. We'll talk soon. You guys have a great day.